Hey guys, so today I'm going to be toning my hair because it's really yellow. I just bleached it. I bleached it about 4 times to get it to this color and it's still super yellow. I thought maybe this video would be helpful for some of you at home who want to tone their hair. I'm going to be using the Wella toners, T18 and half a bottle of T14 because I tried toning my hair a while ago, but then my hair wasn't light enough, so I bleached it again and it's so damaged now. Before I get into the toning, I wanted to give you guys a background of my hair, so here is my bleaching process. Basically, I had really thick black Asian hair and I dyed it brown and my roots were growing out. And then I bleached my hair the first time and I missed like a whole chunk in my roots, so it was black, and then everywhere else was dark orange. And after that, I fixed up that patch of black in my roots. It looked better, but it was so orange. And then I decided to bleach it one more time, but like a lighter bleach with only 20 volume. And then I toned my hair, and that's when I realized my hair was not light enough, so I waited about 2 weeks so my roots were growing out. Then I bleached it again, like regular bleaching, to get it as light as possible, and now this is what I have. Let's brush out my hair. Start at the ends because it's better for your hair that way, so you don't pull on your hair too much. So much hair. Now I'm gonna change to my bleaching shirt, my get dirty, down and dirty shirt. Okay, so I changed, and here are all the supplies. 20 developer, wella T18. I got half a bottle of T14, a bowl, mixing brush, a bag, and gloves. Does anyone else have this much hair come out when you wash your hair? Because I'm genuinely concerned. I forgot how much hair fell out when I had black hair, but I feel like that's a lot of hair. I don't know. Ooh, hello with pink. Or Miley Cyrus. It smells so bad. I washed out my mask and kind of towel dried my hair. This is how it looks right now, and it always looks darker when it's wet, so we'll see how it actually looks when it's all dried. But so far, from what I could tell, it toned. So damaged. This is my hair dry. Definitely looks less yellow and orange. I like it. I think it's more natural. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna apply some oil thing now. It says it's supposed to make it shiny and reconstruct it for damaged hair. Let's run that through. It also says for frizzy hair, and my hair is so frizzy. Make sure to get up at the ends, because that's the most damaged and dry parts. Yeah, that's about it.